光り出す road 揺らいでく vision 熱波ゆらり泳いでく未来光り出す road 揺らいでく vision 熱波ゆらり泳いでく未来思い浮かぶの君ばかり初夏0時過ぎたばかり Heat waves に迷うのさ君に幸せあげられない思い浮かぶの君ばかり初夏0時過ぎたばかり Heat waves に迷うのさ君に幸せあげられないテレビつけて消さないように僕らのこと考えないように今日のハリウッド笑顔を追え僕らのことまるで遠い幸せに君なるはず僕じゃなきゃ可能なはず道に広がる逃げ道闇の中ではもう見えず思い浮かぶの君ばかり初夏0時過ぎたばかり Heat waves に迷うのさ君に幸せあげられない戦えず息できず愛とか言っていったって行くべきなのさ他の誰がふさわしいよそれすらいいけど君もわかるはず泣いてる君壊れそうださよならにもう一度だけ思い浮かぶの君ばかり初夏0時過ぎたばかり Heat waves に迷うのさ君に幸せあげられない思い浮かぶの君ばかり初夏0時過ぎたばかり Heat waves に迷うのさ君に幸せあげられない君はどんな夢の中に満たされた笑み浮かべて思い知る自分の無力陰りない君の表情に思い浮かぶの君ばかり初夏0時過ぎたばかり Heat waves に迷うのさ君に幸せあげられない Sometimes all I think about is you Late nights in the middle of June Heat waves been faking me out Can't make you happier now Sometimes all I think about is you Late nights in the middle of June Heat waves been faking me out Can't make you happier now Road shimmer, wiggle in the vision Heat waves, I'm swimming in the mirror Road shimmer, wiggle in the vision Heat waves, I'm swimming in the mirror
Oh, hello, hello, hello. It is me, yet again, the disembodied head. Why can't... Yo, I'm blinking. Is this going insane today? Don't do... Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go with it. Ah. Okay. Everything's fine. Yep. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Yep. We're good. We're good. Anyways, so as you can see, I exist. I'm small. Yay. Anyways, so this is a rare side stream, okay? You want to know why it's rare? Because we're not doing multiplayer Minecraft. And yes, I just updated it to Minecraft. This is not just a rare one. I'm getting rid of multiplayer on my tags. Yo, look at that. This is going to be a single player thing. So. Okay. And kapow, look at that. Whoa. Whoa, I'm so skilled. I am so smart, you know? Like, what I'm going to be doing is what's considered a funny. So, experiment. Everything on. Done. Data packs. You see, I have a cool pack that is called Data. Yes. as you can see, I have been updating this. I got permission from them on Planet Minecraft, and they have allowed me to do whatever the heck I want with this pack. I am going to be fixing it. I'm going to make it good. Yo, that is my goal today. Because it's already promising. I've already done many updates to it to make it good. And this is going to take forever to generate. Okay, anyways, so how's everyone doing while watching this orb? I hope you're all doing... Oh no, my CPU. Oh no. No. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna sound horrible for this. Okay? But just to let you know, pretty much this pack... Welcome back. Welcome back, Phoenix. You have returned. As you can see, this world has taken a while to load, and pretty much this data pack that I am messing with and fixing up. The goal of it is to simplify the world generation algorithm for biomes, as the default one is 200,000 lines of code. So, this fixes it a little bit. Okay, as you can see, just getting it to generate so that way it shuts up. CPU, are you good now? Come on, buddy, you can stop being capped, CPU. Not doing anything. What's even eating it? What? Why is OBS using this much? OBS doesn't use that much. Why? Dang it. Okay. Okay. Okay, OBS is having a memory leak right now. Okay, good to know. Thank you, OBS. That is very helpful. You know what? Who needs chunks? You know, who really needs them? You know, why is it using 90% of my... I'm not doing anything. What is eating my... Okay. Sorry you've come to yet again another tech stream, because this happens all the time. What is eating it? Okay, Steam. I see what's happened. Okay. Oh no. Okay. So, I know what's happened. I know how to fix it, because it's being very annoying. LG Hub, who really needs to manage my stuff, okay? Let's scroll down. Antinomolware, I can't do anything about. Discord, just kill it. This Discord also end its task. There you go. Okay, Microsoft Edge, I'll end your task. Don't worry, this is my normal, like, everyday thing, you know? What? Okay, thank you very much, NVIDIA. You are literally a virus. Hi, Dark Phoenix. Nice aura right there. Hang on a second, I'm gonna actually... Why is it using 90%? I'm not doing anything! Nothing's open! CPU, stop it! I seriously don't know what's going on today. Eats my CPU and I kill it. It's Steam. Steam, I'm ending you. Shut up, Steam. Thank you. that good? Is that good? I should not have closed Task Manager. Okay. Hang on a second. Once Steam must die. Like Steam needs to die. Let's face the facts here, okay? Am I at reasonable? Reasonable? No. No. What the fuck? Why? Why? This is my... Oh my god, it's using 90% CPU and I'm trying to stop it. God, literally, like... What's all the stuff? Oh, entity distance off. Minimal. Fast. Okay, apply. General. Okay. If you want to send it over Discord, go ahead, I'll look at it. I'm really trying to figure out how to fix this. It's being very annoying. Oh, a clip. Okay, I will hang on a second. I'm trying to. It's hard to do this in such a tiny chat. I'll look at it later. Nightbot doesn't like links. That's all I can say. Nightbot really doesn't like links, so I'm trying to figure out. Let's see. 90%? Or only 67? Oh, I fixed it. I fixed it. I fixed it. It's fixed. Okay, I'm good. Okay, leaves are dead. I put leaves on fancy. No. Yeah, pro set. I don't know. I have to fix Nightbot permissions, honestly. Like that's just okay, so you know. Who even needs frames in Minecraft? I will run at it. I'll run at 30. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so as you can see, this is a normal world, except for the fact this is a giant river biome. And over here is a savanna biome, as you can see. Locate biome. Why are you using 80? Why are you eating so much computer? Okay. My computer is being very weird today. Being very weird today, as I was saying. Okay, anyways, this is a perfectly rational biome border, by the way. Don't worry about it. Why is it using... Something really happened to, like... Why is all this stuff happening? I'm really just trying to figure out, like... I'm just trying to figure out stuff, sorry. Okay, this might not do much. Okay. I should hopefully not max out now, okay? This is gonna work, but... Oh my god, I hate whenever I start a stream, then like the first 20 minutes of it is always debugging stuff, because this poor laptop cannot handle me anymore. Why did you jump to 92%? You were at 80! Really? Oh my god, this laptop doesn't know how to handle anything anymore, and it really annoys me because I want to keep streaming, but this laptop makes it next to impossible. At a lot of times. Like, really? It's going to... I'm having to, like, watch... I have to have Task Manager open every... 91, what are you doing? There's nothing open. There is nothing open. Oh my god. There's nothing. Desktop window... Oh my god, That's what it is. I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. Okay. Come on. Full screen OBS. Pull up Task Manager. Pull up Minecraft again. There it is. Because for some reason, if you show your desktop in the background, you use more CPU because of Desktop Window Manager, because it's insane. Anyways, so you can see by the weird biome layout, I'm using a data pack that actually simplifies the 200,000 lines of biome code to 1,200. And I am currently just experimenting with it to make sure that it, you know, generates reasonably. Because the person does want to update it, but they don't have time, so I'm updating it. And then I'm gonna send it to them just to have an update while I have my own version of it as well. It's also one of the reasons why I'm just trying to look through, and shouldn't be like that performance heavy. Is this an ocean? Why is this a lukewarm ocean? You know what? I'll go with it. This is a lukewarm ocean now, apparently. Okay. This is the downside of 1,200 lines of biome code. Because the moment you decide, hey, I'm gonna actually put more lines of biome code in, it gets more specific and more accurate. But with only 1,200, you have to really hyperfixate your biomes, or else it's not going to end well like this. I'm gonna have to figure out, like, 70... I'm gonna have to look through, like, all the things, you know, like 72, 71... Okay, so I'm gonna have to, like, look at all these variables there. I hate how horrible this freaking thing is, but noise router is where I have to look. Is like temperature, velocity, continentalness, erosion. Those are all the ones I have to look at, I think. Yeah, those are the three. Then depth and W, I forget the name of it, but all those are what I have to look at, because the moment I... So, like, here on land, it's near 0. So what I really need to do is, like, go for, like, 0.01, like, minus 0.1 or something, and to depth. Depth goes gradually up the further up in the world you get, so, like, depth is very complicated as one, but all the different noise values I have to take into account and specify every single biome just to make sure it all works, you know? This is going to be a ton of debugging, and I expect this to easily take up a couple weeks of time, and today's just day one of looking at it. Like, here, 525, 155, stuff like that. This should not be an ocean. This should be land. Like, so I have to specify that, hey, the spectrum for ocean should not be that. So, like, anything that's continentalists. The challenge is that, like, with continentalists and erosion, it's like, I'll have to take, like, V, which is the. Dang it, what was V again? But, like, whatever V is, the. Yeah, well, whatever V is, I'll have to, like, take it, but, like, everything's so specific, it takes absolutely forever to figure it all out. But yeah, that's sort of the main challenge with all of this, is making sure it all works, because one thing I did do is I just yanked down the depth on a lot of biomes, like dripstone caves and lush caves and stuff, so like, as you can see down here, I did get Deep Dark to spawn down here. That is the important thing, because Deep Dark needs to be at the bottom of the world, which is where I've kept it. I've made sure it's there. Like, over here is going to be an ancient city, I bet. Ooh, it's taken its time. Oh, nope, but I did enable 1.21, so there's a trial chamber. Oh, wow. What a chamber. It's actually pretty cool. Is this like a double or triple corridor? That's massive. Yeah, this is a giant one, my goodness. Okay. And it just spawns. Did this somehow avoid, or did this, like, forcefully put stuff? It just shoved stuff around. Okay. But yeah, there's lush caves, all that. That all still exists. And then, for some reason, it's in a lukewarm ocean, which is, like, all these oceans I have to fix, because it's, like, just giant biomes, but they're called oceans for some reason. And it doesn't make sense at all to me, but that's what needs to be fixed, because, you know, all this stuff, like... Okay, so pretty much... Oh, that's what depth is. Okay. So 0 for depth is roughly... It is roughly the surface, which is why 0 down should be most biomes, but some biomes, like, I don't know, cherry or peaks, should be a higher depth of, like, I don't know, negative 0.4 or something, because it has to be way up. Got it. Okay. I'm learning more about this system as I run around the world too, which is the main thing I'm using it for. Just to figure out stuff. So yeah, don't expect this stream to be too interesting or anything. I'm just very much existing, making sure my computer doesn't blow up, and working on this. Ooh. Okay, acacia, not acacia. Azalea trees still spawn. That is important. That is very important, because if the trees did not spawn, that would mean stuff broke, but hey, it works. As you can see, bamboo jungles still work, which is fantastic. That's what I needed to see. And even cherry biomes still work. Like, a lot of times cherries just spawn wherever because everything has like an infinite range of them, because the person that originally made this, they decided, hey, let's copy paste the biome over and over again without specifying where the biomes would go. Which is a decent idea, but not the best in practice, because to get the biome to go properly, it's better to actually code it in from the start. So now I have to like place in all sorts of things. Like I have to place in all sorts of constrictors, like 227 or something could be some constrictor for one of them, like 0.2 or whatever. I've been having to shift all of them. I got the oceans to somewhere reasonable, but I need continentalness to be like more 0 than 1, if that makes sense. Like, let me check continentalness. 0.2, that's cool. That's cool. Where is the ocean? Okay. It's another river. What the heck? I want the ocean. Is this a more river? Is this more river? Are you kidding me? Okay. Okay. Anyways, I think it makes sense. Like, get where continentalness is like 0. Like, let me go to the monument, for example. Yep, here, as you can see, continentalness is negative, so I just really need to do 0 to -1 for continentalness on all the oceans, and that should fix their placement mostly, which will be fantastic. And as you can see, oceans mostly do spawn here, which is still a good thing, because it's just that some weird biomes can spawn. Because oceans are way too common for the life of everyone. Like, as you can see, continentalness is weirdly negative here, even though it shouldn't be. But like, this should definitely be like, you know, that should very much not be negative continentalness. It's just a bit weird because the noise system is always slightly inaccurate. Oh, W's weirdness. Okay. Okay, 0.2. Okay, so 0.3 or less is where of weirdness is pretty much, and also, so I'm gonna have to just do all sorts of adjustments to it and then look through a new world. That's how this is gonna go, rinse and repeat quite a bit. So let me go to dimension, because ocean is the main thing I need to fix first. Cold ocean, so continentalness, yep, I already have it there. Okay, let me check erosion, because that's an E. Oh. Hang on a second, can't see that off the top of my head. Amelia, thank you for the follow very much. Thank you very much. Erosion could be 0.1 or less, I think. But at the same time, there could just be other weird things with erosion. Yeah, -1 to Yeah. Actually, negative 0.1 or greater, maybe. E- Either way, just trying to figure out what goes where is such a challenge. Um, I am doing pretty well, Amelia. How are you? Amelia, sorry. It's been a long day, so I am just working on this data pack, which is very confusing, all things considered. It's just taking its time. Um, Stream plans, as I said, really working on this data pack. It's very much a dev stream of sorts because I'm just trying to make sure that everything works correctly because I'm trying to finish off this cool data pack of simplifying everything, all the biome generation to about 1,200 lines of code instead of 200,000. So it makes it very satisfying to work on. It's also very nice to finally have erosion and weirdness in properly because I've had them specific, which is what's made oceans so massive. Yeah, this is my 3D model. I'm just vibing with it because I like it. I made it, so just using it. Pretty much my main thing. Hopefully this filter for erosion and weirdness makes it much better because it is very annoying to have ocean be 75% of the world. I'm gonna have to remake the entire data pack though. Okay, there. That's it. Save. Go back here. Let me delete that. Right click. Press the zip file. A new data.zip. Save and quit to title. Create new world. More experiments. No thank you, Amelia. No thank you. Nice offer, but no thanks. Very much fine with where I'm at right now. Anyways, it's now time for another set of just continuous waiting for the world to generate. It just takes its time. Okay, just let it load. I think that's good. Now time to look around and see if I fixed this. Oh no, dripstone caves are on the surface again. No. No, I need... Oh my god. Depth is... They shouldn't even be generating here. Depths... Why do you go negative? You should be... I need to very much filter dripstone caves again. It's so annoying. Ugh. I mean, it looks cool, but that's not how it should generate at all. Just very annoying. So now I have to go find an ocean. $1,600 blocks away. What? Dang it, the weirdness probably applied. Did I put it in wrong? -1 to 0.3, yep. That explains it. Thank you very much, Ocean. See, there's something down here. I should be not -1, should be like neg. I need to look for a freaking ocean, like actual ocean, by following one of these rivers. It's gonna take forever because it's so hard to find an ocean in this world. Okay. Ah. Come on. Okay, let's look at this monument just to see. Erosion. Weirdness, I think, should just be like in a -1 to 0.1 instead of too high like I did. So weird trying to keep track of everything because, you know, like the depth also needs to be like minus, needs to be down way more. This is much better than what it was. It's just annoying trying to figure it all out as I do the wrong thing and have to redo the entire process yet again. Okay, and now I'm just copying all that just so that way I can keep... Since I'm doing the same thing for all oceans right now, I'm just doing this until the oceans actually get to a reasonable type, which means constricting them. There, the lukewarm motion. There you go. And the warm motion, which I think is the last one. Press to a new zip file, yet again named data.zip. Let me copy and paste the new data in. There. Now I can recreate it with, but since I've changed around the noise, the entire biome layout's going to be changed. It's going to be nearly impossible to get this accurate, but it's worth an attempt, which is the most important thing anyone can do. So let me look for this monument, and this is promising. Mushroom fields. Okay, that's awkward. Whoopsie. Might need to offset you way up or something, you know? I don't know, but mushroom biomes do spawn. That's good to know. Cherry Grove, 800 blocks away. Probably on a coast or something. Ooh. That is a tiny cherry biome. Okay. But that is an ocean too. Which is very weird because this is not where it applies. Okay. I mean, technically it does, but it's just trying to compress it all makes it so complicated. I mean, at least they're filling in these now, which is the most important thing. I think just the main challenge now is getting the oceans to work, but getting them to work's already tough enough, you know? Okay, so what else is there to do apart from doing this is making sure that this doesn't happen. I literally told Depth not to go up here. This should not be allowed right now, is the main issue. Oh, that's why. Okay, so I need it to be like 0.2 or something. I need to really clamp down depth because that's what really lowers it. The others change the conditions, but like it needs to definitely be like 0.2 or something crazy just to prevent it from being on the surface as much. Because if anything, it won't stop it being on the surface, but like, it'll just make it be like down here instead, because it's 3D biomes. Two, 2, 0.2. Also need to look up like a lot of these look like they'll fit, but it's just so hard to find them because I need to get all of the rivers and stuff accurately too. And rivers have to be exactly that level of weirdness, which is very complicated to hit. There, just keep on scrolling. More motion, 0.2. I'm gonna change weirdness to that too. Because it looks like negative weirdness is vertical and positive weirdness is like down, if that makes sense. Hope it does. Like, as you can see, this weirdness is very negative, which means they want it very up in the world, which means if I go for the positive weirdness, that should be better for my oceans. And also, I should get more freaking rivers because I was blocking out the rivers on accident. Which I shouldn't have been doing, but I was on accident with all my oceans just covering that entire weirdness spectrum that it needed. Save there. Nope, as I said, delete there. Press to zip file, a new data.zip. Delete. Recreate more data packs. Open pack folder. Delete. There. Just recreating a world yet again with another new biome code of swapping around a bunch of the data. weird how that works out, you know? Okay, river. That's promising. Okay. It's weirdly savanna through here when it should be river, but... oh well. I mean, it's getting somewhere. I can get the rivers and do that, but... over here, it should change into lukewarm ocean. Okay, river. Lukewarm ocean. That's promising. It's promising. That's promising. Please change. Okay, that's fine. That's fine as a singular island like that. Okay. I have to pull up my stuff again to make sure. Gonna be river. Okay. Goodness. Sparse jungle into like a into river. Oh my god, I think I got my oceans mainly this is like as good as it's gonna get because like, hey, look at that. Got it to ocean in time for here. That's insane. Okay, so let me look at weirdness. Should be probably, you know, erosion, which is gonna get insane in a second. But yeah, this is really promising, even though that's river and it really shouldn't be. This is still very promising, as this is what rivers are a lot of time in Minecraft. Lukewarm ocean. If this stays lukewarm over the entire land, that's frustrating because it shouldn't be. This should not be lukewarm ocean. That's my issue right now because I don't understand what's not. Let me go look. What's V? Is V like humidity or something? I don't know. I don't think it's humidity. Like this should not be, you know, let me... okay. 0.3 minus 1, 0.5, 0.19. Okay. Oh, that's what happens. Depth stays here, which is crazy because then it goes... weirdness is minus 0.3 for some reason. Like, none of this should be making a river. Okay. This is an issue right here. This is the main issue. 322, 277. That's gonna be something I look at when I recreate this, and yeah, this is negative. This should not be here at all. Erosion. Okay, so this is all very... So pretty much stay in the negatives is where this has to go. I just got pinged. Okay. There. If I can keep my erosion in the negatives, that might fix it. A lot of this is guessing and checking. It's so annoying, you know, just figuring it all out. Anything else? Yep, this one down here. Control S. Save and quit to title. Single player, delete. Recreate. Delete. Okay. Delete. New zip file. And recreate the world again. Let's go. So welcome back once more to the loading screen. This is an amazing loading screen, you know? Oh my goodness. Anyways, this is gonna take a while. Just do a bit of a stretch. There. Okay. Now I can load in. This is river yet again, which I am fine with a giant river. I am actually fine with giant river like this. This is okay. Okay. Is this a lukewarm ocean still? Dang it, okay. I mean, I did try. I absolutely tried with a new data pack, but it looks like it's not even doing much. Like, this looks the exact same as last time. So it's possible that it's not registering a new data.zip or something, maybe, but I can try a new world or something. I mean, does this look smaller at least? No, it's like the exact same size. Okay. That's because erosion's negative here, isn't it? Still very complicated trying to find all this stuff, you know, just getting it all said and done. Here's the savannah still. Goes into a lukewarm ocean, which makes a bit of sense. Okay, there. I just undid it, but this should be better biome layout at least, I'd hope. I do hope it is. Today's really not much of a stream. Today's a bit of a stream. I'm just looking through all of it, just making sure it's good, you know, as any good developer would do. Make sure it all works, at least, is the main thing. Because it should work. Locate biome, lush caves. This should hopefully not be on the surface, you know? Should be clamped below. Yes, that is very promising. Randomly an ocean. I don't know why. That just happens. So yep, this meetup's also fairly realistic, so okay, so now here's lush caves, a bunch of waterlogged caves, and still no lush on the surface apart from an azalea tree. That is good to see. That is really good to see. Congratulations, little lush cave, you did it. I really don't know why this is lukewarm ocean though. I'm trying to figure it out. I think it's probably because depth for some reason is like pretty insane around here, but and erosion's also pretty high. That's probably it too. But yeah, that's very much a reason why erosion's high. I mean, I can just go right here. Why is erosion so high? I don't understand. It's not doing anything. Dang it. Okay. Well, I'll work on this in the future very much so. Like, this is just a lot. Anyways, I shall. This is a really short stream today. Just wanted to do a bit, just hang. And I'm gonna do another stream tomorrow at some point. Just expect it at any time. Anyways, I'll see you all later. This was a really fast stream today. I'm definitely streaming tomorrow. If I don't, just yell at me. Okay. But yeah, that's my goal. I'm sticking to it. That's what I'm gonna do. I shall. See you all next time, boy. Oh my gosh, I'm tired.